Hey guys, this is Mason that I'm back again, and today I'm unboxing the wireless earbuds, and I know you guys are thinking if like did your original AirPods broke? Yes, and you might be thinking, but how? So I'll tell you. So when I was charging them, my dog ran to on the wire, and so the the left one was not broken, and but the right one wasn't. So and yeah, so we should unbox this right on unbox this right now. Oh, wait. Sure. Rather find that tape. Oh, it's down here. I bet. Okay, wait. Well, it's a good thing. I have a scissor. I make sure I don't mess up the box. Oh, wait. Okay, here we go. Up. So. Okay. So here's the instructions, and so we got ear tips, and so a charger, and also, and here is the main event. So here's the results. It opens perfectly. Oh, here, look. Alright, so we should put these earbuds here, and I know where I put them. Okay, so hey, look. They are red. Okay, so yeah, we should probably put these back. And so here's the ear tips. And so the charger. So here's the ear tips. And here's the charger. Hey, look, it's USB-C, like from my gaming pad. So, and so right on the back. So yeah, this should go to my nightstand. Oh yeah, and so if you know these are lights, I put them to my TV. Look at how slick it is. Anyways, guys, so that was unboxing the Skull Candy eat wireless earbuds. So yeah, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.